What kind of soup can you get from an egg?
Well, you know, I don't really deal with eggs, so you'd have to come with a different question.
Yes, you don't deal with egg?
No.
None at all?
Rasta don't deal with what come out of bottom.
Yeah, walk one peeps. Don't know your boy Jnel. Back at it again, you know, with another video, you know.
What you do?
I do one thing, man.
I will give you mic. I will give you mic. I told my give you mic.
I check it out.
Who for you send you what you do? People, I imagine you take me thing. You know, some can't take me think of my thing and my thing and my place and every place and my place and I'm making with it right now and our place. You understand? I think me pen a playpen. Oh, I go and peeps, I don't know your boy Jnel back at it again with the next episode of the question. I'm watching episode 2. You don't know within a Maypen town. You understand? A Maypen city. You understand? You don't know what vibes places, you know. As I can see, background and move. Yo, my G, big up yourself, you know. Yeah. See it? Vibes there already, people. You don't know what things said. So watch out without further ado. We are kick it off right now because you don't know. Say, yeah. Yo, I feel good, man. Like, the king is back in the people. I wanna, hey.
Chicken soup. Why I belly walk out?
Yeah, my G. So first thing I do, just give me a name.
Nah, man, free man, I know say I done Brent straight out of Moby, I know his style.
So you say dog an artist? Alright, drop something we hear no man.
Alright, nah, man, free. Well, I'm a dogs, them rich in be a top crook in Guzo done a skull, drop a big fat whip in and no crabby patty dog, them a flip brick with the spatula. Girlfriend a foreigner, rich Barbie doll in pussy on no watch it no. Liam them a beginner, watch me like cinema. Polo and no poop in NC 15 them fall off, Pluto. Yes, this style.
Yeah. Tough, bro. What you say? Hear your name?
The boss Cleasy from New York, you know.
Alright, you say I run a freestyle?
Yeah, sorry. Gang, 40s and Nas, that's an essential. Big clips, yeah, they longer than a pencil. You try to run a better finna bend through. Get stretched. God, Tim and Moby, house niggas f***ing brain power. You ain't spending my shit, you would lame out. 2 5 shots finna f*** with his brain time. Like, damn, gra.
Gra. What you say?
My name J7 from Brooklyn. Like, get out, 1, 2, 3 at the door. Niggas dropping, they drop at the floor. Niggas talking, we talking some more. One half shot, leave him on the floor. Niggas you talking when they talk to the feds. All my niggas coming in your bed. 5 hit him, now you in a red.
Yeah, man, I rebel me name, man, rebel.
Rebel?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I know I say, I get to Ricky this attack on Jnel camera, Modest camera, and the comedy player.
Barbs.
My name is Wesley Chambers.
Wesley
Chambers.
Oh, yeah, answer your call, man. Answer your call. Taliban?
Yeah.
So where you get the bad name there from?
No, Afghanistan.
Afghanistan.
Aye.
Nyla.
Say again?
Nyla. Yeah.
Oh, she have accident? Alright. Me soon come down, so me call you when me come down. Yeah?
Cold flame.
Say again?
Cold flame.
Cold flame.
Yeah.
So all that make sense, you know? I know what's going on.
Yes, eh. Cold flame.
Yeah.
Flame cold.
Yeah.
But then when all honesty, I can say, oh, one fire burn inside me about 2 cold and this time move toward mankind, them can't open flame, you know?
My name Quantan Kanakam. Not what I say, come. Hey, girl, fat pussy girl, come here. You man a call her. You for there, come here.
Well, alright, me come over there. Where you there, over to me? Alright, me pass through. She sick bad?
Terrine.
I want to run to you. Yes, I come to you to show you the world. Jnel and Sphere. Comedy plays right.
Yeah, you know what Jnel, I know I say, I get to Ricky and I spicy up thing. Mad.
Bingy.
Eh?
Bingy.
Bingy.
Alright. Let me come, me call you.
Yeah, bro, big up.
Corruption.
Yeah. So watch out, so how you get that name there?
I girl them got me corruption, man.
Duyan.
Antoya. Maitland.
And what kind of business we have here?
Okay, so this is our hardware by the name of Whale Hardware, located at 1 Stark Street, Maypen, Clarendon. You guys can come and check us out. We have steel, lumber, zinc. We also sell cement. We have the different type of cement boards that are here. We also store from a pink to an anchor and tools, you name it. We have household appliances as well. Our staff is customer friendly, and it's a warm environment where you can come down and just spend and get prices that are guaranteed.
What's the number we can call?
Okay, the business number. Let me provide you with the business number. I don't remember.
Me dey back, me I do something here right now. Yeah. All right, cool. Yes, bless.
Yes. What's black when it's clean and dirty when it's white?
Black when it's clean and dirty when it's white. A really trick question to choose. Ah, Poopa.
Black.
What's clean when it's black, you know, and white when it get dirty?
Me never hear them one day. To the guys too much, you know, man. You catch me already on the road, you know. Yeah, not last year before last, you know, remember me?
No. Yo, everything will come to my mind now, because, like, if you stay to the other way, would I say a towel, because white, dirty, but, I know. Yeah, black when it's clean, white when it's dirty. Black when it's clean, white when it's dirty. You just name me as clueless on this year, man.
Me no know.
I don't know that one there.
Let me get the answer.
Sure.
Chalkboard, black pants.
When you black, dirty when you white.
Chalkboard, man.
Chop.
Yeah. What's black when it's clean and white when it's dirty?
Black pants. Black pants.
Black pants. Alright, what you have to say?
Brown stew chicken.
If you hold me too long, you might lose me forever. What am I?
Spoil food.
Time. Time.
Hold me too long, you might lose me forever. Damn. What? Nah. Yo, I don't know.
A really trick question for you, but I don't know the answer for that one. No.
FBOU. Too long.
You might lose me forever. What am I?
Forever. No, sir.
If you hold me too long, I might end up losing me. Time. Time.
If me hold it long enough. No.
You don't want to either? You want to answer? Yeah, Bert. You say it's simple, no?
I don't know that. You can't answer.
Where's the bro? You don't know. Brit. If you hold me long enough, you might end up losing me forever. What am I?
Woman. Woman.
I do something.
Me no know.
You don't know. You say one answer. Yeah, Brit, man. One more left from boss. Somebody cut him. One, yo. If you hold me long enough, you might end up losing me forever. What am I?
Oh my God, that's so easy. Your age? Okay. A boyfriend or a girlfriend?
Well, ice. Ice melts if you hold it long.
It's ice.
Ice. Ice melt if you hold it too long, it melt out. Turn water.
If I hold you long enough, I end up losing you. Can't give more hint.
If you hold me too long, you might end up losing me forever. What am I?
Well, me hold my girl long, see and we, you know, seen, and she got me lose her.
What kind of soup you get from an egg?
What kind of soup you get from an egg? You don't get no soup from an egg.
What kind of soup can you get from an egg?
Me no know that one there.
I want to catch up squeeze your throat.
Soup. You can't get soup from egg.
You sure?
You get egg from egg.
What kind of what?
Soup.
Soup. Soup you can get from an egg. Boy, I'm not know.
I don't know.
I don't know if you can get no soup or no egg.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
What kind of soup? One egg soup. What kind of? No, you can't get no soup from no egg if you really mean to.
You sure?
You can't sure.
Think about it, man. What kind of soup can you get from an egg?
Soup, but if you say porridge still, you know. But if you did say porridge.
So what kind of porridge you can get from an egg?
Eggnog porridge you can't get.
But what kind of soup can you get from an egg?
You can't get no soup from no egg.
What kind of soup can you get from an egg?
Man.
Think about it, man. What kind of soup can you get from an egg?
No, so they want the big army, man.
Egg soup?
What?
From a egg? There's no soup from egg, Rasta.
Sure.
You don't know if Chinese make it in a wonton or what, man.
Yeah.
Can't get soup from an egg though. How can you get soup from an egg?
You can.
Unless there's some Chinese ramen something I go make.
What kind of soup you get from an egg?
Chicken soup.
Chicken soup, you know.
Can't get the soup from egg. You never hear that yet.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
You want me to give you the answer?
Yeah.
The answer no chicken, man.
Chicken soup. Why a belly walk cut off?
What kind of soup can you get from an egg?
Soup from an egg. Well, it tell off the great chef where you talk about that man and know if he cook the egg and soup. Well, me drink with soup and whole of soup, but I know your spices, I know much, me know have, we can't do this and do that. We put egg in a Guinness and pot.
Soup from an egg? I don't know. From an egg? From an egg?
Mm-hmm.
Soup?
What kind of soup can you get from an egg?
I don't know. I don't know.
What kind of soup you can get from an egg?
From an egg?
Yeah.
No pussy juice.
Oh, my chest. I can't breathe. Oh, shit, my chest is going.
What kind of soup can you get from an egg?
Well, you know, I don't really deal with eggs, so you'd have to come with a different question.
Yes, you don't deal with egg.
No.
None at all.
Rasta not deal with what come out of bottom, no time.
Yeah, peeps, and thanks for watching yet another episode of the questions you don't know, episode 2. Me pen, I know say I edit, you know, I just put on about 5 hours of editing. You see me, and then I realize I never showed the outro from yesterday. You see me, I say, so thank you guys for watching. You don't know anything said, make sure you hit the like button. You see me? My son, I press up my car key. But make sure you hit the like button. You see me? I'm a no say when you reach that in a video. You see me? And still not click the like button yet. Come on, people, no man. Make it go harder, no man. Click the like button, man. I'm trending way up here right now. You see me? So as you know the video shot, you get to me and say, I'm wanting to check out the business where we promote up at the start in that video, which is Whale Hardware. You see me? In a me pen. You know? Yeah. So big up on yourself, peeps. I done your boy Jnel and I'm out. Follow me on Instagram at BOIJNEL_1. Yes, I remember for _1 hour. But thank you guys for watching. Remember, hit the like button right now. Right now. You done there, boy Jnel. And I'm out.